Hello mathematicians, welcome back to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we are going to do two different things. First, we're going to make a withdrawal from our base 10 bank. And second, we're going to practice our addition facts by working on a Scout Them Out page in your student books. Here's what you'll need first. You'll need your whiteboard, marker, and eraser. This is all you need right now. You can pause the video to get what you need. Okay, here we go. We're going to make a withdrawal from our base 10 bank. Last time we were in the bank, we took out 15 pieces, so we ended up having 58 pieces left in our bank. We're going to use our number cards today to find out how much more we will withdraw or take out. After we find out how much we're taking out, we'll have to see if we need to decompose any of our pieces to make our withdrawal today. Let's see what we'll have for our tens using our 1 through 3 number cards. Oh, we have the number 3. That means 3 tens. Let's see how many ones with our 4 through 9 number cards. We'll have 8 ones to take away. Let's look in our bank. Here we are in our bank, seeing that we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Now I'm going to write how much we're taking away today. We're taking away our 38 pieces. Now, before we use our whiteboards and markers to solve this problem, can you make an estimate of how much we'll have left after our withdrawal? Give me a thumbs up if you think we'll have more than 25 pieces left. Give me a thumbs down if you think we'll have less than 25 pieces left. Let's see if your estimate is correct. I want you to use your whiteboard to solve this problem. 58 minus 38. Then we'll look at the problem together to see what kinds of strategies you could have used. Let's look at a strategy you might have used to solve this problem. If you need more time on your strategy, you can pause this video and start it again when you're ready. Now, one way you could have solved this problem is by drawing a picture. We can draw a picture of our base 10 pieces, our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens for our 50, and our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Now I know that I need to take away 38. Show me on your fingers how many tens I should cross out. If you're holding up 3 fingers, you're correct. Cross out our 1, 2, 3 tens. How many ones should I cross out? Show me on your fingers. If you're holding up 8 fingers, good thinking. I'm going to draw a circle around my 8 ones, and I'm going to cross them all out. How many pieces do I have left? I have 2 tens, so that's really 20 pieces. 58 minus 38 is 20. Now you may have used a different strategy to solve this problem. I'm going to write this equation again, and I'm going to solve this problem thinking about my tens and ones. 58 minus 38 equals something. Well, first, I'm going to look at my tens, this part of the problem here. Well, I know if I have 5 and I take away 3, I'm left with 2. So I'm left with my 2 tens right here. I know if I have 8 and I take away 8, I don't have anything left for my ones. So what I'm really doing is I'm taking 50 minus 30 equals 20. And then my 8 minus 8 equals 0. So my answer is 20. Show a connection if you have the same answer of 20. Good thinking. You may have solved this problem in a different way. Now that we know what's going to be in our base 10 bank next time are 20 pieces, let's have a look at what else we'll be doing for Number Corner today. For the next part of Number Corner, you'll be working on a Scout Them Out page in your Number Corner book. You will need your Number Corner book, a pencil, and a yellow crayon. You can pause the video now to get these materials. Now, today, we're continuing our routine of practicing our addition facts. We are keeping track of the facts that we master from the Quick Facts routine on page 60 in our Number Corner book. Then we're going to use our Quick Facts activity to decide what facts we need to practice on the Scout Them Out page. You're working on Scout Them Out Addition E, page 71 today. Let's have a look at the facts that we solved last time we had our Quick Facts. Last time we worked on our Quick Facts, we were working on our Add 10 facts. You'll have to go back to this activity in Seesaw to see if you've mastered your facts. If you completed all of the problems in 0 to 1 minute, and you got all of the questions right, then you've mastered your facts. If you did, then we can go to page 60. Now, page 60 in your Number Corner book might look something like this if you've mastered all your facts so far. If you've mastered your Add 10 facts, you'll color in those facts in yellow, just like I have on mine. My Add 10 facts are yellow on my legend and filled in on my chart. Once you're finished filling those in, you'll move on to the Scout Them Out page. If you haven't filled these in yet, that's okay. You can still work on the Scout Them Out page. Let's have a look at that page in Seesaw. First, I need to answer all my questions. How long did it take to complete your Quick Facts in Friday Number Corner? Well, it took me 0 to 1 minutes. Did you finish the addition facts in 0 to 1 minutes? Yes, I did. Did you get 18 or more sums correct? Yes, I did. I can move on to my Scout Them Out page. You can work on that in your Number Corner book or in the activity. The first problem says circle the strategy or strategies you are practicing today. If you haven't mastered your Add 10 facts, well, that's what you're practicing today. A good example of an Add 10 fact would be 7 plus 10. You might be working on a different fact, like a count on fact. A good example of a count on fact would be 6 plus 3. You might be working on your Make 10 facts. A good example of a Make 10 fact would be 2 plus 8. You may be working on your doubles fact. A good example of a doubles fact would be 6 plus 6. You may be working on your doubles plus or minus 1. A good example of a double plus or minus 1 would be 4 plus 5. You may be working on your add 9 facts. A good example of an add 9 fact is 5 plus 9. You might be working on your leftovers, but I'd say probably not. We won't work on that one quite yet until we know more about what those facts are. So you'll work on count on, make 10, doubles, doubles plus or minus 1, add 9, and add 10 facts. Remember to circle all of the facts for the strategy you're working on, and then solve those facts. When you're done, solve the rest of the facts too. You should be solving every problem on this page. All right, mathematicians, time to get to work, and I'll see you next time for Number Corner.